Okay, we picked green beans this morning, and the dog loves them, so I had put him in a box to snap after I rested, and he decided he was hungry for green beans. So here he is having himself a little snack, just all by himself. Let's see if he goes and gets another mouthful. He's getting his vegetables. And he's sneaking up on it. He's trying to decide if someone's watching. And oh, he found the green bean. So when he got his mouthful, he must have dropped. And he's going for another mouthful. And he's going to go hide because he knows I'm talking about him.